Hello students, in today's lecture we will discuss characteristics of character set of C language, identifiers, keywords, format specifiers, printf and scanf. So we will discuss one by one. Character set of a C language. What are the characters which we use in writing a C program? So a character set denotes by alphabet, digit or special symbol used to represent information in C language. So anything we will write while writing a C program, we will use these characters. These are uppercase alphabets, the A, B, C up to Z, lowercase alphabets, small a, b, c up to Z, digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and special symbols. These are the special symbols and many more. For example, at the rate of hash, dollar, percent, power, and star, break start, break close. These are some of the special symbols, and there are many more special symbols on our keyboard. So these are the character set of a C language. If we have to write a C program, we will use these characters for writing a C program. This is in what I have in character set of C language. Identifier. What are identifiers? Variables, function labels, and various other user-defined items are called identifiers. Anything we write, name of a variable, name of a function, label, and other user-defined items, we call them identifiers. The length of these identifiers can vary from 1 to several characters. It can be from of one character or more than one character. The first character must be a letter or a underscore, and the subsequent character must be letter, digit, or underscore. So first character of an identifier should be a letter or a underscore, and the other characters may be a digit, a letter, a digit, or a underscore. Examples: birthday, b underscore, a underscore, b underscore day, or test123, or monthly underscore salary, or rt126. These are some examples of identifiers. So in C, identifier may be of any length. An identifier cannot be the same as a C keyword and should not have the same name as functions that are in the C library. So identifier should not be a keyword. We will discuss keyword in next slide. So identifier should not be a keyword, and it should also not be the name we have the name of the functions in C library, or we can say we cannot use the name of a library function as identifier. For example, we cannot declare int, print, get, ch, etc. These are keywords. Int, print, get, ch. So we cannot use them as identifier. As identifier because of the simple reason that they are reserved word in the library. Because these are reserved words in the library. These are the keywords, and keywords are the reserved words in the library. So we cannot use keywords as identifiers. So what are the keywords? Keywords are identifiers reserved by the language for special use. So these are the identifiers which are reserved by the language. These are already in our compilers. The following list of the keywords is common to C language. These are some of the common keywords which are in C language. So we cannot use these keywords as our user-defined identifiers. So these are auto, break, case, character. These all are keywords. So keywords are those identifiers which are reserved by C language for its special use. Format specifier. The format specifier are used in C for input and output purpose. So for input in printf, for inputting and outputting, we use format specifier. For example, in scanf is for input and printf is for output, and we use format specifier in those functions. So using this concept, the compiler can understand that what type of data is in variable during taking input using the scanf function, and printf using and printing using printf function. So using these format specifiers, the compiler can understand that what type of data we are going to input in print scanf, and what type of data we are going to print are we using printf function. So here is a list of some of commonly used format specifier. %c, this is for character. %f, a float variable. %d, signed integer. So %l long. Double, %p pointer, %s is string, %use unsigned int, %n prints nothing, %x is hexadecimal, and % means prints percent character. So these are the some of the commonly, there are so many other identifiers also, but these are the commonly used identifiers in C. So printf, now we will discuss printf. So as we know that a computer is composed of input and output devices, the printf statement is used to print the message on the monitor. The format of the printf is, so computer is an input output device. So printf is used to output something on our monitor, or we can say the for printing something. The format of a printf statement is printf bracket start double quotes and the message we want to print, quotes close bracket close and semicolon. So this is the format of a printf for outputting something on screen. The message enclosed in the double quotes is displayed on the screen as desired by the programmer. So this is the message which is displayed on the screen. So another format for generally used is, this is printf bracket start double quote start format specifier, which I discussed in previous slide, double quote comma or variable list. So for example, we want to print the value of a integer variable, we will use %d in these brackets, and we will here we will write the name of that variable, that integer variable. So the value of that variable got printed in the output screen in place of that that format specifier. So for example, %d %f %c, so it means x will be an integer variable, y will be an float variable, and z is a character variable. So it will print the value of x here, the value of y here, and the value of z here. So the value of a variable can be displayed on screen using printf statement. So using printf statement, these values of these variables will be displayed. The variables are not enclosed in double quotes, only the format specifier of the variable like %d for integer, %f for float, and %c for character variable are enclosed in the double quotes. So these variables are not enclosed in double quotes, only their format specifiers are enclosed in double quotes. So this is I have about printf. Now scanf. So to input something into our computer, we will use scanf. The input statement, the input statement commonly used is scanf. It accepts the data of a particular format from keyboard from keyword and assign the scanned value to the variable. Uh, so it will it accepts the data of a particular format, so and assigns the scan value to the variable. The format of the scanf statement is scanf %d %f. So we will ampersand x and ampersand y. So this is percent. This is the format specifier. This is for integer and this is for uh, float. So it means x is an integer variable and y is a float variable. So I have used ampersand here, ampersand x. It means at the address of x we will input the value at the address of, not at x, at the address of x. We will find the address using this ampersand and we will input the value at the address of x, and similarly at the address of y. So %d format as explained is used to accept the integer type of data, and y accept the value of type float, and is called as address of an operator and used to in scanf. This is the address of operator in order to send the scanned value at the address of the variable x and y. So and is an address of operator, and this is used for storing the value at the address of x and y. So this is scanf. So this is what I have today: character set of C language, uh, identifiers, keywords, printf, and scanf. Thank you.